Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is not moving much. DXY is standing at 103.28, and as per our expectation and as discussed, the previous support of DXY, which is 103.50, is right now acting as resistance. Overall, the picture of DXY has not changed. As discussed, that if DXY breaks 103.50, things will be very bad because we do not have any immediate support on the chart of DXY. So DXY next resistance, or right now the current temporary resistance, is around 103.50. Okay, and you can see dollar stands firm while traders await CPI, and CPI is tomorrow. So market is mostly waiting for CPI, and CPI is a big event for the market. So maybe by tomorrow we will get to see some good movement in the market, or we will get some better trading opportunities, because right now as the market is not moving much, so trading opportunities are very less. So CPI will be very important. Now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. And as you can clearly see, that not much change on the chart of Euro dollar. Market is still trading inside this flag. Okay, yesterday market tried to go for a breakout, but the breakout failed. And right now Euro USD is standing at 1.0737. 1.0737. This is the current market price of Euro USD, and Euro USD is still, yes, Euro USD is still standing at the support right now. The previous resistance, which is now acting as the support, 1.0709 to 1.0735 was the resistance zone. Now it is acting as support, and Euro USD is just standing at a support only. So my dear friends, if today we get a breakout also, okay, if we get a breakout on the chart of Euro USD, or if you see a breakout scenario market going up, then please be careful. Look at the DXY chart first. If you see that DXY is showing a good selling pressure, DXY is going down, then only go for a buy position on the chart of Euro USD, because it can be a false breakout as well. Keep in mind, when there is less volatility in the market cannot go for a breakout. It will be a false breakout, and the only way to save yourself from false breakout is to wait and watch, or buy at retracement. In case market drops, yeah, I think the possibility of market going down is higher. So in case market drops, you can consider taking a sell position below 1.0708 as well. You can consider taking a sell position below this level as well. If market breaks this level, the next support, okay, already I have discussed in my previous video, the next support on the chart of Euro USD is around 1.0654 to 1.0650. This is the first support on the chart of Euro USD if market drops, and the second support on the chart of Euro USD is around 1.0620. This is our second support. As we can clearly see that there is no proper logic to derive the support levels. The support levels have been derived with the help of Fibonacci. We can clearly see around 1.0695 or 1.060700. Also we have got Fibonacci 23.6%. But as the market is sluggish, okay, as the market is sluggish for the last couple of days, at least for 2 days, okay, so whenever there will be a movement in the market, the movement will be big. And if the moment, let's say there is a big red candle in the market, then obviously 23.6% will not have the strength to provide support to the market, because in Fibonacci retracement levels, 23.6% is the weakest. Okay. So as a result, I'm not considering 23.6%. In case market starts coming down, okay, listen to me carefully. In case market starts coming down, and if there is less volatility in the market, you can see that market is forming small candles but still going down. In that case, you can expect the market to respect Fibonacci 23.6%. But in case market starts coming down with volume and volatility, then obviously Fibonacci 23.6% will fail. In that case, you will have to keep your eyes on the Fibonacci 38.2% and Fibonacci 50% retracement levels. Okay, so these are the support zones. If market comes, observe if you see market forming a hammer pattern, market showing good price rejection from below, then only take a buy position. And if market goes for a breakout, then be careful, because yesterday already we have seen a false breakout. So for additional confirmation, look at the chart of DXY. If you see Euro USD going up but there is not much movement on the chart of DXY, just forget about taking buy position, because that can be very risky. Because if DXY is not dropping and Euro USD is going up, then there is a possibility that Euro USD will be giving us a false breakout. See, whatever you do, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So do not gamble with your hard earned money. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.